Have you thought about what you would do if you needed to file a home insurance claim? What would happen if a tree fell on your home, or a hot water, or had water damage from a burst pipe, or you needed to file a burglary, or worse, you had a fire in your home? If you're like most homeowners, you may not even think about this until you actually have to file a claim and then feel overwhelmed. Today, I'm demystifying the world of home insurance claims. In this video, I'll cover what home insurance covers, the most common types of claims, a step-by-step process of filing a home insurance claim, and what to do if your claim gets denied. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and prepared to handle any insurance claims that come your way. So let's get started. First, let's break down a home insurance policy and what it actually covers. It's not just about your home, it also protects the belongings and covers you in the event of a lawsuit. Home insurance policies typically cover natural disasters, fires, theft, accidents, and lawsuits. Now, what are the most common types of claims? According to the Insurance Information Institute, it's wind and hail damage, followed by water damage, freezing pipes, thefts, and fires. But don't worry, with the right insurance policy, you are covered for all of these perils. So let's say something does happen. Here's a step-by-step guide to filing a claim. Call your insurance broker or insurance company immediately. Document everything. Take lots of photos. Keep all the receipts for extra emergency repairs. Meet the insurance claims adjuster. Get several repairs from licensed and insured professionals. And here's a pro tip. Start to make a home inventory checklist before anything happens. It'll make your life so much easier if you ever need to file a home insurance claim for your personal items. Take photos or videos of each room, list valuable items and their cost new, and store this information in a safe place, maybe even in the cloud. So what happens if you file a claim and your claim gets denied? Don't panic. You have options. Ask for a detailed explanation. Ask the insurance company what they need to provide them to appeal the decision. Provide additional information that may get the insurance company to open up the claim again. Reach out to a highly recommended public adjuster. If you decide to hire a public adjuster, reach out to your insurance broker for recommendations. And if need, contact your state's insurance department. Remember, local independent insurance brokers are here to help you through this process. Dealing with home damage is stressful enough. Your insurance claim shouldn't add to that stress. At Vargas & Vargas Insurance, we're committed to making this process as smooth as possible. Whether you need to file a claim, you have insurance questions, or you want to review your coverage, give our team a call. We're here to ensure that you have the right protection at the best possible price. Remember, stay informed and stay protected. Thank you for watching, and here's to a safe and secure home.